Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Flow. You will go to settings as you see and you will click here in this first page. You will go to settings. In this page here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this window you will search about the application of Flow and you will enter. Here in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your